Hello everyone, in this video I want to tell you about the Elon Musk's recent past where he talked about his new project related to cryptocurrency based on his most advanced neural network, Grok. Over the past few days I've been testing it with my own funds, carefully tracking every trade and watching how it behaves in different market conditions, and today I want to share these real results and my thoughts with you. But before we go any further, I have to make something very clear so there is no confusion. So important. This is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor or portfolio manager or licensed investment professional. Everything I say in this video based solely on my personal experience, my own observations, and my subjective view of the crypto market. So always do your own research before making any decisions. Alright, let's get into the project itself. This project is a crypto trading bot based on Grok that helps automate part of the trading process and remove emotions from quick decisions. In simple terms, it's a tool that constantly tracks the market, looks for opportunities, and reacts faster than a human can, trying to catch the most profitable moments and avoid late entries. Now I'll briefly go over its main advantages and explain why I decided to add it to my own trading toolkit instead of relying only on manual trades. According to the creator, you can make up to 170% profit in a week, and there's also support on the site if you have any questions or problems. And they provide a full refund policy if any problems arise on their side. It's a kind of safety net for unexpected situations and can be especially useful for people who are testing the bot for the first time and feel a bit unsure about trusting an automated system. Also, I personally haven't used the refund option because everything has been working smoothly for me so far, without any bugs, freezes, or any technical issues that could interrupt trading. Okay, here is something most people miss. The moment you sign up for Grok AI, a 1-hour window opens up. Make your first deposit within that hour and you get an instant 15% bonus on top. Right away, straight to your balance. So you put in 100, you've already got 115, and Grok AI starts putting it to work from the very first minute. There's a timer counting down right in your dashboard. Once it hits 0, the bonus is gone. Sign up, don't sit on it, this first hour working in your favor. Let's now move on to my personal strategy for generating profit with this bot and how I integrate it into my overall trading plan. You can find all the information about each tariff plan on the main page of the platform, including their advantages. As for me, I would recommend starting with the Prime tariff plan if you're a beginner. I'll leave a link in the video description so you can open it in a separate tab and explore it in more detail after you finish watching this video. First, you need to log into your account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. You can also log in using your X account. This process usually takes just a couple of minutes. Well, I already have several accounts for more flexible trading and for separating different strategies on different tariff plans, so I'll log into one of them to show you how everything works in practice on a real example. I'll log into my account and this is the main page you see right after authorization. Overall, the interface looks clean and intuitive, with all the key sections grouped logically and with clear icons, so there's no real need to explain every single button one by one. Even if you're completely new to crypto trading, you should be able to understand the layout after just a few minutes of clicking around and checking the tooltips. I'd also like to highlight the fast deposits and withdrawals. In most cases, they're processed in less than a minute, which is very comfortable when the market is moving quickly and you don't want to miss a good opportunity. Now let's make a deposit. I will top up in the Sol network and deposit $1,000. So I send the money, and now we're waiting. As I said, the money arrived in less than a minute, so click engine power to launch the bot. As you can see, it takes a couple of minutes to start and you can track the entire trading process step by step and how much time remains until completion. Now you can watch live how the Grok trading bot follows and copies the winning trades of major market players, and as a result we end up in profit if the market behaves as expected and the traders we follow make good decisions. You can see how positions are opened and closed without any need for manual intervention from us, which also helps to avoid emotional decisions and panic actions. While the bot is running, I'll explain it in more detail so you can fully understand how this bot works behind the scenes on a technical level. This bot is a well-designed program that continuously analyzes the market and the behavior of its buyers and sellers in real time, scanning many instruments and signals at once. When it spots a buyer or seller with a large wallet entering the game and preparing to make a significant transaction, the bot immediately follows suit, opening a similar position with our funds. This reaction helps us move together with big capital instead of against it, and reduces the chance that the market will suddenly change direction and leave us with a loss right after we enter. I think it's pretty easy to see that the bot can offer a strong advantage and is becoming a very popular tool among active traders who like automation. It allows you to react to situations that would be very hard to catch manually, especially if you don't sit in front of the screen 24/7 and you have work, study, or other responsibilities. It provides an extremely fast response to the slightest market changes, which is simply not possible by clicking mouse buttons in real time. In the highly volatile conditions, this speed can make the difference between entering at a very good price, entering too late, or completely missing the move and just watching the chart run away. One of its main advantages is full automation. The bot does absolutely everything automatically, with no need to constant human intervention during the session. We simply need to press the button and then periodically monitor the results. If you're looking for a simple and convenient way to read more online, Script is a great option. It gives you access to a huge library of ebooks, audiobooks, magazines, and documents all in one subscription. You can read or listen anytime on any device without the need to buy every title separately. It's a smart choice for people who want more content, more variety, and an easier way to enjoy books every day. And now they're giving 30 days for every new user. All the links are in the video description. Well, enough time has passed, so let's take a look at the bot's result for this session. As you can see, the balance has changed in a positive direction, which means the bot is currently working properly and the chosen strategy is performing as expected under current market conditions. Now I'm going to withdraw my balance to show you how the payout process looks in practice from start to finish. The withdrawal process here is very fast and usually does not require any additional confirmation steps apart from the standard blockchain confirmation. I'll select the Solana network, then carefully enter the wallet address where I want to receive the funds. Choose the option to withdraw the maximum available balance. After double-checking the address to avoid any mistake, I confirm the operation and wait for the transaction to be completed and reflected in my wallet on the blockchain. While the transaction is being confirmed, a few final words to close this video. If you're still interested in this topic and want to see more strategies, tests, and real-time experiments with different crypto bots and risk approaches, my advice is to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for new uploads. Like this video if it was helpful for you, share it with a friend who is also into crypto, and leave comments with your own results, questions, or suggestions. I always read them and try to answer when I can. So all funds have now been successfully withdrawn, everything worked exactly as expected, and the balance on the platform is back to zero after the payout. Thank you very much for your attention, friends. I wish you good luck and see you in the next video.